I am busy as a bee. It means I am very active and busy. I am worried in work. It means I have too much work. I am stuck with work. It means I cannot leave my work. I am working around the clock. It means I am working all the time. I am short on time. It means I have a little time. I am juggling many things. It means I am managing many tasks. I am pressed for time. It means I do not have enough time. I am overloaded with tasks. It means I have too many tasks. I am in middle of something. It means I am busy doing something. I am running behind schedule. It means I am late in my work. I cannot make it today. It means I am not free today. I am snowed under. It means I have too much work. I swamped with work. It means I have too much work. I am occupied right now. It means I am busy at the moment. I am caught up in work. It means I am fully busy with work. I have lot on my plate. It means I have many responsibilities. I am tied up. It means I am very busy.